UK sanctions have affected Roman Abramovich. This is the oligarch, the Russian billionaire, owner of the Chelsea Football Club, who's been on the ups and downs with this thing in a big way. He was, first of all, saying, I'll step away and I'm going to leave it for other people to manage in the meantime.
Right.
Wait for stuff to settle down. Then he's like, oh, man, that's not going to work. I'm going to have to sell it.
Sell it, yeah.
And then you started talking about price tags. Remember that?
$3 billion.
No, but first you started at 100 million.
I did start at 100 million. And I worked my way up to 3 billion.
And then the people were very upset.
Yeah.
And they said, who's this Mo guy?
He doesn't know nothing about soccer.
They said, let me have that chair. That's what they said. They were knocking at the door. They were ready to boot you out of there. $3 billion was a price that was being thrown around, and then they were having to look for an owner, and the owner had to be suitable, and this is not easy stuff to do. And then some more time has passed here, and the latest sanctions apparently are making it even difficult to attempt to sell the thing now. United Kingdom announced another raft of sanctions on Thursday, targeting 7 oligarchs with links to Russian President Vladimir Putin, among them Roman Abramovich, who the British government says has an estimated net worth of $12 billion, is one of the few oligarchs from the 1990s to maintain prominence under Putin. He's denied being close to Putin. He also said the proceeds of the sale from Chelsea would go to victims in Ukraine.
Did he say how much? Or did he?
He did not put a number on it. This includes tax breaks received by companies linked to Abramovich buying and selling shares from and to the state at favorable rates, and the contracts received in the run-up to the FIFA 2018 World Cup, it wrote. Therefore, Abramovich has received preferential treatment and concessions from Putin and the government of Russia. And that has put a little obstruction, apparently, in his ability to sell this team, turn it into profits, and move on. So it's not the boats, it's not just the boats and the jets, it's the soccer clubs, otherwise known as the football clubs. And the only reason we can't call it football is because we have the other football, in which there's very little kicking.
Yeah, there's still a little kicking.
There's a little kicking.
Not much.
Yeah. Which elsewhere they call American football, by the way.